NEET PG marks distribution. NEET PG exam pattern, if I have to decode, among 200 questions, 160 questions, approximately 80% you will get from your rapid revision and previous year topics. If you solve the minimum of 50 MCQ a day also, in 52 days, your all of this Q bank will be over. How to crack NEET PG 2025 if you are starting now. Now this video is for those whose internship is over and now they want to give a serious try. Maybe their job or non-academic JR ship is over and now they want to give a serious try for NEET PG 2025, or any other reason you couldn't study that much and now you are going to start and give a good try. But the catch here is that you should have your basics clear. Only then these all things which I am telling, if you apply, you will get massive improvement. So 75 days are left for NEET PG. Now, considering that you have an okayish or an average basics, the average professional MBBS you have passed without cheating and all, so you are standing at 100 corrects. That means you are getting about 324 marks. And in 324 marks, the rank was 1 lakh in NEET PG 2024. That means you won't even get anatomy with this rank. If you apply my strategies, which I am telling in this video, then in these 75 days, you are sure to get 10x improvement and you will land up in 150 corrects. That sums up to 560 marks, and that was 10,000 rank in NEET PG 2024. And here you can get any other clinical stream except medicine, radio, and dermatology. So let's begin the video. At first, you are going to give the NEET PG exam. So you must understand how the NEET PG exam is. For that, I recommend to watch my video on NEET PG versus INICET. Just click the I button and तुम लोग उस वीडियो पे चले जाओगे. NEET PG marks distribution. You can take a screenshot or the PDF will be available on my Telegram channel. In last 4 years of NEET PG, we can see that anatomy, physiology is not that much high, but biochemistry, pathology, microbiology, pharmacology, ComMed, FMT, then comes medicine, OBGY, surgery, and pediatrics. These all subjects are very much high yield, so we must focus on these subjects while studying. सब सब्जेक्ट्स ही पढ़ना पड़ेगा. I won't advise you to leave any subject. You must study all the subject, even if it is low yield like the anesthesia. You must study the basics so that you can attempt 2 out of the 3 questions and get them correct. The ideal schedule that I will suggest you is that now you are in 1st April, so first read you must be over by 10th May. 17 May को तुम्हारा INICET एग्जाम है and you should sit in the INICET एग्जाम. बट अभी स्टार्ट करके तुमको उसमें से अच्छा रैंक आ जाएगा ये एक्सपेक्ट मत करना. सो लास्ट 7 डेज के लिए तुम्हारे लिए जो प्रैक्टिकल हो सके, मतलब पूरा सारा सब्जेक्ट्स रिवाइज ना भी कर सको, देन प्री क्लिनिकल, पैराक्लिनिकल, सर्जरी, OBGY and PEDS that will cover 150 questions of the INICET exam. After the INICET, you should start with your third read. And in this third read, it will be covered by 7th June. And the last 9 days will be the last 9 days strategy. Among them, the last 2 days is a different strategy. I will tell in the further video. Now, I have given 4 revisions because psychiatrists tell that if you revise it multiple times, rather than slowly reading and with full concentration, if you are able to do 2 readings with that same time, without giving that much concentration also or that much focus also, it is going to help you remember more. So I am giving you more number of revisions so that you remember more. And INICET तुमको देना पड़ेगा. I will advise you to give the INICET exam because NEET PG के पहले एक को तुमको real exam मिल जा रहा है. So why not give it? Give it and you will know the challenges that you are going to face in the exam hall. The exam hall anxiety you will feel. Compiling all the revisions in the last 7 days, are you able to do or not, you are going to see. So ये वाला एक को test match है just before your main match. Take it like that only. NEET PG exam pattern, if I have to decode, among 200 questions, 160 questions, approximately 80% you will get from your rapid revision and previous year topics. 5 questions approximately you can solve by common sense without any knowledge also of medicine. 30 questions will be from the prop based studies, मतलब जो सारा प्रॉप में पढ़ा था अगर याद रहता है तो आंसर कर पाओगे, ऐसा क्वेश्चंस आता है. 5 क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. बीइंग रियलिस्टिक, सी इफ यू आर स्टडिंग द रैपिड रिविजन नोट्स आल्सो and you are solving the previous year topics, you are a human, you are not going to get everything correct. मैं तुमको एक रियलिस्टिक थिंग बता रहा हूँ. यू नीड टू डू 140 करेक्ट among those 160 questions. Common sense, you will apply your common sense and you will get correct. Here also I am being realistic that out of 5 questions you will get 4 correct. Now prof based, because you have not studied the main notes, you won't be able to solve the prop based questions. But कुछ ना कुछ तो याद रहेगा ना, जो शायद तुमको भाइवा में पूछा गया था, शायद कोई क्विज में आया था, ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा एक दो गो. सो उन 30 में से 6 को किया जा सकता है. एंड नाउ यू स्टैंड विथ 150 करेक्ट्स. इफ आई give my example, among these 160 questions I did 148 correct. Common sense I did 4 corrects. Prof, because my prof and the main notes were strong, so I got 25 corrects. Out of the box I got 1 correct, I left 2, I got 2 mistakes. Thus your ideal number of attempt should be 190 plus. ये बहुत सारे लोग नहीं बोल रहे हैं कि कितना अटेम्प्ट करना चाहिए, तो तुमको 190 अटेम्प्ट करना ही पड़ेगा. इफ यू वांट टू गेट 150 प्लस करेक्ट्स और 150 करेक्ट्स, approximately 150 corrects, you need to attempt 190 plus. I attempted 198 because I wanted a top rank. Among those 190, 70 questions you directly know the answer and you mark them. But maximum of the questions that you are going to get correct, that is 120 questions, you need to rule out the options. Among this 120, you need to get 80 corrects. So how to rule out options? You watch my video, click the I button and you will get access to the video. And you need to solve more and more MCQs and give more and more grand tests. Then only if you apply it practically. Coming to the main point, that what you should do, that is you need to do the rapid revision notes. So rapid revision के लिए जो अच्छे platforms है, that are the Prep Ladder, Marrow, eGurukul and Cerebellum. See, BTR I am not telling, because from BTR you are going to get a maximum of 140 to 150 questions. If you are going to get 130 correct from those questions, then you won't be able to reach the 150 mark, because बीटीआर में कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होते हैं, तो बाकी के क्वेश्चंस तुम्हारे से सॉल्व नहीं होंगे अगर तुम्हारा कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं है. मतलब बेसिक्स ठीक है, बट उनमें से भी रैपिड रिविजन नोट्स में तुमको कंसेप्ट दिया जाता है, एंड उसके साथ अगर प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस एनोटेट करोगे तो उसका स्ट्राइक रेट बीटीआर से बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है, क्योंकि बीटीआर में तो सिर्फ प्रीवियस ईयर टॉपिक्स ही है. सो मैं सजेस्ट नहीं करूँगा इस टाइम में जस्ट बीटीआर को फोकस करने के लिए. अगर तुम सेरिबेलम के यूजर हो उसके साथ बीटीआर को क्लब कर सकते हो अगर टाइम है, बट आई वोंट सजेस्ट यू टू डू जस्ट बीटीआर, because with just BTR you can get a maximum of 140 corrects, and in 140 corrects the rank was 17,000 in last year NEET PG 2024. And if you want a video on BTR trap, then do comment BTR trap. I will make a video on that also. The technique you should use is the active recall. Now you can take a screenshot of this also or join my Telegram channel, you will get access कि how many days you need to give to each subject, like anatomy, physio 2 days, like this you have to do. See, the main point is the medicine I have given 2 days because you need to study only the extra points. Whole of medicine, hematology and GIT you all have covered in the pathology itself. So all the extra points, that is the ECG, scoring, infectious disease, some of the criterias, that only you need to see from the medicine notes. एंड शॉर्ट सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए तो एक दिन काफ़ी है. हम लोगों के पास हो रहा है 40 days. एज आई सेड दैट 41 days फर्स्ट रीडिंग यू विल गेट 1 day एक्स्ट्रा, एंड सब्सिक्वेंट रीडिंग में तो तुमको पता है कैसे शॉर्ट हो जाता है. ये वाला रूटीन तुम अपने हिसाब से चेंज कर सकते हो, विच आर योर स्ट्रेंथ, विच आर योर वीकनेस, लाइक दैट यू चेंज. but you keep the maximum number of days you are allotting to 19 subjects is 40 days, because in 41 days you need to finish the first reading. The second point, the second pillar is the MCQs, and this point of time no use of doing क्यू बैंक्स. ठीक है, क्यू बैंक्स को एकदम डस्टबिन में डाल दो, उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. मेरे को 28 रैंक मिला था, मैंने भी खाली 84 को मॉड्यूल्स इंटर्नशिप में सॉल्व किया था, एंड मेरे को पता लग गया था कि कितना वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम है. क्यू बैंक इज ओनली फॉर दोज हु आर टारगेटिंग फॉर अ टॉप 10 रैंक एंड दोज हु आर वेरी मच ब्रिलियंट. एंड अभी तो तुम्हारे पास टाइम का शॉर्टेज है. इस शॉर्ट टाइम में कैसे इफेक्टिवली पढ़ेंगे ताकि 20% एफर्ट देके हम लोगों को 80% रिजल्ट मिल जाए. सो फॉर दैट, very basics you should do is the 5 years of NEET PG, 2 years of INICT and 2 years of FMG. This is the basic. If you can upgrade, if you can do more years, do all the years from your coaching app. So if I combine all this 9 years, then it comes to be 2600 MCQs. If you solve the minimum of 50 MCQ a day also, in 52 days your all of this Q bank will be over. From which source you should study is that Marrow and Prepladder are only good for the previous year questions, because you need the explanation section also, and this have the good explanations. And eGurukul is also giving access to Marrow if you are paying some more. So eGurukul भी use करो तो फिर Marrow का subscription ले लेना. Next point is that you should annotate the explanations of the previous year questions, the extra points you are getting in your main notes. I always give my this example, like this all I have given for annotation, these all are extra. Like this I mark many extra points. अगर तुम annotation करते हो, then only the strike rate of your notes will be 160 questions. You will easily get 160 questions common from your notes. अगर annotate नहीं करते हो तो फिर लगभग 120 से 130 क्वेश्चन स्ट्राइक रेट रहता है रैपिड रिविजन नोट्स का. And always bookmark the important questions you are getting wrong and you are confused, so that you can review them in the last 9 days. Mock test, because it is an MCU exam, you must give the mock test, the grand test and the CBTs. Many influencers don't tell about the CBTs, but I say CBT is a must. So अभी जितना टाइम बाकी है 75 days है. In this 75 days, one real GT तो you are giving INICT, and 3 GTs you should give. Among them, one must is a Marrow mock and one must is a Prepladder mock, so that you see both the platforms. And इन दोनों प्लेटफॉर्म में ही मैक्सिमम यूजर्स मॉक एग्जाम देंगे. तुम्हारा जो रैंक आएगा दैट इज वेरी मच प्रेडिक्टिव, एंड द परसेंटाइल ऑल्सो. So these GTs will obviously be NEET PG GTs. No need to give INICT GTs. Your target is not INICT. Take INICT as a mock exam only. And 2 NEET PG CBTs, that will be Bhatia or DAMS. ऑफलाइन CBT, मतलब CBT ले लिए उसके बाद ऑनलाइन में दे दिए, उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. So GT will be like your net practice and CBT will be like your practice match, and review the GTs as soon as possible. After that is the 28th notebook. Make your own 28th notebook. Don't rely on the online 20th notebook that people are selling. You need to write the volatile PYTs like the scoring, CEAP, classification, criterias. These all you need to put in the 20th notebook. And in the last 2 days, you need to see the 20th notebook and the bookmark PYQs. Don'ts, as I have told what you should do, I must tell you what you shouldn't also. So don't doubt yourself at this point of time, and go away from all the distractions you are having. Social media तो एकदम बंद. IPL चल रहा है, IPL मत देखो भाई. If you want to check the scores, just see in your browser once or twice and see after the result that who is winning. अगर तुम्हारा फेवरेट टीम IPL का ट्रॉफी जीत भी जाता है तो तुम्हारे लाइफ में क्या चेंज आएगा? Will they give you a clinical seat because you supported them before your NEET PG exam? They won't, right? So IPL देख के कोई फायदा नहीं है. एट दिस ईयर मत देखो, नेक्स्ट ईयर प्रॉमिस करता हूँ तुम स्टेडियम में जाके देख पाओगे. तो फिर FB, simple waste of time. Telegram also I don't recommend. Only if there is some important topics and notes which others are providing or I am providing, for that only you go and see the Telegram channel. Instagram also of not much use. If you have a educational Instagram channel and you are following only the educators, then only it is okay. The two things that you have to use and which is the basic is the WhatsApp and the YouTube. एंड इसमें भी तुमको टाइम को रेस्ट्रिक्ट करना पड़ेगा, इसके लिए डिजिटल वेलबिंग ऐप यूज कर सकते हो एंड सेट द टाइम लिमिट मैक्सिमम ऑफ 30 मिनट्स अ डे और 1 आवर अ डे. एंड अभी तो फोमो का कोई चांसेस है ही नहीं. इफ यू गो फॉर फोमो नाउ इन दिस लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, देन you won't succeed simply. As I said, you must not focus on the INICT. So you must not also focus on the INICT specific topics like the trials, biostats, and many things that are specific to INICT but are not asked in NEET PG. Before ending the video, a question of the day. What is the diagnosis? Answer in the comment section below. Before closing, as you are a NEET PG aspirant, you must know how the NEET PG patterns are changing. So the video has come. Go watch it. All the best for your NEET PG exam.